If you own a pet, it can feel like you're fighting a losing battle against their fur, unless you have the right tools. Enter the best robot vacuums for pet hair. These clever devices keep things in check between deep cleanings. You can program them to run as frequently as you'd like, and they'll keep your home much cleaner than if you had to do it all manually, thanks to their ability to go deep into the carpet and travel underneath couches and sofas. Number 1. Samsung JetBot AI Plus. The Samsung JetBot AI Plus is a massive robot vacuum for pet hair, standing nearly 6 inches tall and tipping the scales at 9.5 pounds. It's a robust cleaner with powerful suction and a handy self-emptying feature, great for dealing with stuff like dander, dog hair, and cat hair. Speaking of, it's our pick for the best robot vacuum for pet hair for a few other reasons. It uses LiDAR to navigate around your home, which means it won't crash into things and it won't run over and then track around messy stuff, like dog poop, which is a common robot vacuum for pet hair complaint. The JetBot AI Plus also includes a service called SmartThings Pet. This smart program sends the robot vacuum for pet hair out on patrol to record videos of the cats and dogs at home, so you can see what they're up to while you're out and about. It can play music designed to soothe dogs. Number 2. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. In the robot vacuum world, the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus sets the bar for navigation and design. When we put the J7 Plus to the test in our robot vacuum for pet hair labs, its obstacle avoidance deftly maneuvered around furniture and, crucially, pet feces with ease. That's right, iRobot combined forward-facing cameras and machine learning to ensure that the J7 Plus won't cause more messes than it cleans up. Speaking of cleaning, the J7 Plus picked up 9.35 grams of dirt per run during our tests. With these numbers, this robot vacuum for pet hair is on par with a full-sized vacuum when used daily over the course of a week. Plus, you can use the iRobot Genius app to specify what rooms or parts of rooms you want to be cleaned and when. You can also direct it over a Wi-Fi connection with Google Assistant or Alexa. Got a cat that likes to groom at 2 a.m.? No problem. When it's done cleaning, self-emptying robot vacuum for pet hair deposits its haul into a self-sealing bag, building on a feature the i7 Plus pioneered. Number 3. Eufy RoboVac 11s. If your dog is the furriest thing on your floors, the Eufy RoboVac 11s is worth checking out. It's a highly affordable model that also rocks good performance. The Eufy is perfect for anyone who wants to figure out if a robot vacuum for pet hair and their pets are compatible. The slim design allows the 11s to jam its brushes into places where pet hair often gets swept away. It also boasts a quiet noise level, so it isn't likely to irritate your pets. The RoboVac 11s has a few drawbacks. It has no virtual walls or magnetic strips to ward it off from unwanted areas. Also, during testing, the Eufy robot vacuum for pet hair was entirely unable to clean high-pile carpet. That means this robot vacuum for pet hair will do best in homes with bare floors, not thick carpets. Number 4. Eureka Groove. The Eureka Groove Nair 300 impressed us with its powerful suction and ability to climb high thresholds. During testing, the Groove suctioned up enough dirt and debris to stand toe-to-toe with robot vacuums for pet hair that cost twice as much. What makes the Groove great for pet owners is that it is super easy to remove the brush roll and clean it. We did find that the Groove was a bit rough on furniture. It won't wreck it, but with no barrier strips or virtual maps, you'll have to shut doors or put up baby gates if you need to protect something. Number 5. Neato Botvac D7 Connected. The Neato Botvac D7 Connected is a milestone in robot vacuums for pet hair. It's the first robot vacuum for pet hair you can tell when, how, and where to clean, all from your smartphone. With its innovative no-go lines feature, you can draw lines on the virtual maps that the D7 creates to prevent it from going near sensitive areas like pet bowls and beds. While the no-go feature is cool, Neato also made a robot vacuum for pet hair that cleans well, where you want it. The D7's large wheels, side brushes, and D-shaped design allow it to climb high-pile carpet and get flush against walls. On average, the Neato picked up 9.6 grams of dirt per run. For perspective, if you set the D7 to run automatically every day, that equals 67 grams of dirt a week, on par with light cleaning from a full-sized vacuum. Additionally, its HEPA filter system helps the D7 go a long way toward keeping your home allergen-free. Number 6. iRobot Roomba i7 Plus. The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus can empty itself, with a vacuum in the charging base emptying the bin's contents into a sealable bag during your cleaning sessions. That means you don't have to see, touch, or smell the pet waste your robot vacuum for pet hair picks up. The i7 Plus also comes with a host of features perfect for any smart home enthusiast. This Roomba has access to everything the iRobot Genius app has to offer, including the ability to avoid or clean specific rooms or areas. This is the main reason why the i7 Plus is great for cat owners. For example, you can direct the i7 Plus to just clean around the litter box or under the couch. More importantly, a cat can ride a Roomba, but a Neato would stop moving if an animal climbed atop it. Fancy tech aside, the i7 Plus packs quite a bit of suction power. On average, it picks up 10 grams of debris, so in a week, it can keep up with a mild manual cleaning. The i7 Plus is expensive, but every penny is accounted for in its unique features and excellent performance. Number 7. Dreame D10 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. The top spot goes to the Dreame D10 Plus Robot Vacuum, which also functions as a mop. Plus, it's actually one of the lower priced options on our list. During testing, it worked exceptionally well on pet hair and dirt particles, even picking up hard to clean clumps of fur. It's also easy to schedule cleans for daily maintenance. Like most robot vacuums, the Dreame connects to an app that allows the user to create schedules, map out their home, activate child lock, control the level of suction, and more. We found that the vacuum avoided furniture and walls well, but you will need to map out any stairs in your home to ensure the robot avoids them. Given that it has a setting to increase suction when it goes onto carpet, it works equally well on both hard floors and rugs. The self-emptying capabilities and 2.5-liter dust bin meant we didn't need to empty it once during testing. Especially useful for pet owners, we never found hair stuck in the rollers. Number 8. Proscenic 850T Robot Vacuum and Mop. A budget robot vacuum cleaner that works well sounds like an impossible dream, but the Proscenic 850T self-charging robot vacuum fits the bill. It doesn't have many of the bells and whistles that you find with more expensive models, but the basic functions impressed us during testing. It effectively cleans carpet and hard floors, avoids walls and stairs, and connects to an app. The app has an edge setting, which allows the robot vacuum to clean along the baseboards. It doesn't map out the home or allow for scheduled cleanings, but you can designate no-go zones by taping the included strips to the floor. On hard floors, the vacuum deftly picked up dust, pet hair, dirt, and crumbs. It also worked on potting soil. It took a few passes, but no debris was left behind. When cleaning area rugs and carpet, the vacuum fared well with dust and hair, but it spread dirt around and required a few additional passes to get it up. The vacuum avoided walls and stairs, but bumped into some furniture legs. We like that it's an incredibly quiet vacuum when it's running, and it didn't even bother the pets during testing. Users will have to empty the dust bin out themselves, as it doesn't have self-emptying abilities.